Tuesday already.
It's Tuesday afternoon. We're here in Fields Avenue, Walker Street, and we're going there to meet our friend from Canada. And it's also, maybe it's, again, first time we go outside again like this.
For first time.
When?
Aye?
Me.
Ah, no, how long time you not been in this area in Balibago?
From maybe December, after maybe...
No, you been before, you been.
I've been last January 4? Maybe maximum 5, January 4 to 6. January 6. And after that, I'm not going.
So we now going to Swiss Chalet. I will park car here in the Choking and we walk to the Swiss Chalet restaurant because our friend Alex he will wait us in the Swiss Chalet restaurant. Oh, Shira prepare already. Clean, it's okay. Okay. Okay, Shira, we can go now. Kimchi restaurant. We a long time we not been in Kimchi restaurant. Take a look, Shira. Small dog. Small dog. Good dog. Camelot. Dog Camelot. Nice. What name?
It's
What?
my friend dog, sir.
No, what name your dog? You don't know. Your friend. Okay. Thank you. Shira, Sky Trucks open already. No, cannot. This road is another way. I think they repair soon also this side. We go into the Swiss Chalet.
Sorry?
In Swiss Chalet restaurant. Swiss Chalet.
Yes, it's
I haven't seen you around in a long time. Is everything okay?
She don't like go to walking street in this area.
blame you.
Long time and she not been.
I don't blame you. Yeah. You doing okay?
Little bit, I need to adjust only again.
You will adjust? Okay. We love to see you on the camera.
Before I live stream already.
Yeah, she live stream before, in a live stream in the home.
Live stream, you're very good. You're very good. You're very talented.
Thank you so much.
You're
Thank you.
welcome. Good to see you, Leon. See you around.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you. Girls maybe go to birthday party.
Birthday party?
Maybe. Another side, but I guess. We can wait inside. I will ask, maybe way on the way. It's because from Kandy. No, it's okay. Shaira, you can wait here. Because Alex on the way now. And you can sit and wait. And I will little bit walk. Okay, a little bit walk, okay, Shaira? You wait me here. Walk little bit. Not walking street only near, because I need to wait Alex. Always go to walking street. We also have party, Rob's Gastropub Sports Bar. Oh, nice bikes. Kawasaki, another Kawasaki, Harley Davidson. Yeah, very nice. Harley Davidson. Oh, this is motor. Same price my car. Same cost my car. About 2 Mad Dogs Philippines. Ah, I know. Mad Dogs Philippines. Wait, inside maybe. Yeah. Yeah, nice.
Lalo na kung may sibuyas, kamatis.
Oh, poker room also here. Sport club. And this is Swiss Chalet Hotel and Restaurant. This all building is Swiss Chalet Restaurant. And we will eat inside from entrance from another side. It's back side. No, thank you. He on the way now. On the way. He sent message to me. He said already. Just we can wait. Alex also arrived. Shaira.
They're so pretty naman. Gising mo lang, no?
Hi everyone. I want to ask Alex about his lost luggage in the airport when he going to the Clark International Airport. When I pick up him from airport, I want to ask him. Alex, hi.
Hi.
I want to ask you about your flight. How you traveling to Angeles from beach place? How long time? And what happened?
Well, the flight is about like 30 something hours. So usually the main flights are 2 stops. So from Toronto, it either goes to Los Angeles or San Francisco. I went to Los Angeles. That's about 5.5, 6 hours. And then from there, it's about a 3-hour layover. Then from there, it's about a 14.5-hour flight to Taipei. Another 3-hour wait. And then from there, about 2 hours to Clark. So altogether, with all the waiting in the flight, it's about 30 hours. And the luggage got delayed in, I think it was Los Angeles. So for about a day and a half, you have to buy stuff because you just have the stuff on your back. So, and it's pretty common. But one of my friends also had their luggage lost for 4 days, so they had to buy a whole bunch of stuff as well. It's more common the more stops you do, and especially if the stopover is in the States, because of their customs and everything, is a higher chance of being delayed or lost.
But they call to you. You need to go to airport or you wait.
You need to do it. They won't contact you. So
They cannot send to your hotel. Only you need to go to airport.
yeah, you have to go. So I think I waited about an hour at the baggage claim waiting for my luggage. It didn't come. So then you have to go file a report. Then they'll contact you, and then you have to go specifically to the airport before 4:30 because that's when their office is closed. And then you have to wait another hour and a half for them to verify everything, get the luggage. and then you're good.
Okay.
So it was quite a process. I think it was like 2 hours just waiting to get my luggage back.
So it's not a big deal. Or for you it's not.
For me, it was only 1 day.
One day
It
only.
could have been worse.
Mhm.
But of course, you know, after you buy stuff, then they tell you the luggage has been found. So,
Okay. Okay, Alex. Okay, thank you for information.
no problem.
So can I serve for you?
A plate also, Shaira, maybe.
Yeah, can we
more.
get a couple plates?
Payment?
This is fish fillet, fry fish fillet, potato, mashed potato. Alex, what is this?
Onion soup.
Onion soup. And what is Shaira? Salad, rice. So Filipino people like rice so much. Okay. More rice in the Philippines. And this tea.